Hey everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking Mate. I'm your mentor and friend here to help you speak, learn, and grow with confidence. Now tell me honestly, have you ever looked at your calendar and said, "Oh no, only 2 days left for the exam and I've not prepared anything"? If yes, then today's video is exactly for you. Because I'm going to show you how to pass the exam even if you have only 2 days left. So stay with me till the end because these next few minutes can literally change your exam game. Now, why is this topic so important, especially for English learners? Because most students don't fail because they are not smart. They fail because they don't know how to study smart in the last 2 days. Many English learners panic, lose focus, and end up wasting hours just thinking, what should I read first? How will I finish everything? Let's take one example. Imagine _Ria, a college student. She opens her English grammar book 2 days before her paper. There are 20 chapters. She reads 5 pages, gets tired, and then starts scrolling on her phone. Result: she studies for 5 hours but remembers only 5 sentences. We all have done that, right? But today, we'll fix this problem completely. Let me tell you a short, funny story. Last year, one of my students, Rahul, came to me saying, "Sir, my exam is in 2 days. I haven't prepared anything. What should I do?" I smiled and told him one simple strategy. He followed it exactly, and guess what? He passed with 82% marks. The best part? He didn't study more. He studied smarter. And that's what you are going to learn right now. Alright, let's break this into simple and powerful steps. Write down pointing backhand index. First, stop saying "I can't do it." Take a notebook and write exactly what you will study for the next 2 days, hour by hour. This small action gives your brain clarity and removes fear. Example. Day 1 morning, grammar rules, tenses, articles, prepositions. Day 1 evening, writing section practice. Day 2, revision plus previous papers. Focus on the 20% topics that give 80% marks. Don't try to study everything. Example. In English, topics like tenses, active, passive voice, articles, and essay writing often repeat every year. So master those first, they are your scoring weapons. Never read full paragraphs, use keywords. Write formulas, grammar rules, and meanings in short points. Example. Instead of writing "the present perfect tense is used for completed actions with present relevance," just note down. Present perfect is equal to have has plus V3 for completed actions with link to now. After every topic, explain it aloud as if you are teaching a friend. This activates your brain's memory zone and doubles your retention. Practice line. I have eaten breakfast means the action is done, but it still matters now. Common mistake. I eat breakfast used for routine, not for completed action. I have eaten breakfast used for result of action. Before you go to bed on day 1 or early on day 2, solve at least one past exam paper or sample test. This helps you understand what kind of questions are repeated and how to manage your time. Example. If you have an English grammar section, check which tense questions came last year. You'll see a pattern. Pro tip. Don't just read the questions, write the answers as if it's the real exam. That's how your brain gets into exam mode. Step 7. Prioritize rest and nutrition. Many students make this big mistake, They stay awake the whole night and skip food or water. Result: a tired brain that forgets everything during the exam. Remember, a sharp mind needs sleep and hydration. Sleep at least 6 hours before the exam day, drink enough water, and eat something light. Analogy: just like a mobile battery, if it's not charged, even the best apps won't run properly. So charge your brain battery. On the last day, don't study new topics, just revise and mentally picture yourself succeeding. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and imagine. You are sitting in the exam hall, calm, confident, writing every answer smoothly. My dear, before going to bed, revise your short notes once. Your brain will store that information overnight, scientifically proven. Here's how to make the most of these 2 days. 1. Speak what you study. Say grammar rules and meanings aloud. Example: past tense means completed action. It improves both memory and speaking. 2. Write mini answers. Write 1 or 2 sample essays or letters. Don't aim for perfection, aim for clarity. 3. Listen for learning. Watch short English explanation videos or podcasts while eating or relaxing. Even passive listening helps your brain absorb language patterns. Listen carefully. You don't need to study 10 hours a day to pass. You just need focused 6 to 7 hours of smart learning for 2 days. Remember this line: fear ends where preparation begins. You still have time. If Rahul could do it in 2 days, so can you. Believe in yourself and take the first step today. 7 Keycap Smart Subscribe Trigger. If this video helped you even a little, don't forget to subscribe. Because missing the next video would mean missing your own progress. Here, we grow together step by step, lesson by lesson. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below one tip or one takeaway you learned today. Let's make this a learning community where we all motivate each other. And remember my favorite line: keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video on English Speaking Mate.